Our own business. Don't we have something else to promote, Graham?
You know, Jamie Flam was going to be on the show to promote
until something happened to him.
Until something, well.
It is unfortunate, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
But
weird.
here's the good news.
He has a Kickstarter.
There you go. You can support him and probably his medical bills.
Yeah.
But
Yes.
no. He's starting a new comedy and music venue.
It's fantastic. I actually, it's the Hayworth Theater, which is just sort of west of downtown L.A. It's a really cool space. It was built in the 1920s. It is, and it's being remodeled. And so he's doing a Kickstarter for it. And it's called, if you just go to Kickstarter.com and then search Dynasty at the Hayworth, you can see, and they got 9 days left, and there's cool stuff. You can put money in, get your name on the wall. Like, you've been to a theater and you'll see like donor wall. You could have your name on there. It's
You
gonna
get tickets to shows.
Yeah, Jamie Flam used to book the Hollywood Improv.
Right.
We all worked there. He was really cool. He was instrumental in kind of starting the lab and
Yep.
Curated talent.
yeah.
Yeah, and then he also had these weird secret shows where he'd wear a hat.
Yeah.
And there'd be music and stuff. So he's eclectic. He knows all different kinds of comics and musicians and performers and stuff. So I'm looking forward to the show at the Hayward. I mean, he'll put on some great shows at the Hayward.
I think
Yes.
that's sort of his vibe, and it didn't quite. I mean, it sort of worked with the Improv, but the Improv's pretty old school comedy club. He wanted like
More
this
corporatized.
Yeah, he wanted like a music, different kind of artists, and I think this theater is the best thing for where his sensibilities, and he's been really good to so many of us, and so you got to back this, guys. If you can be a part of this cool theater, we're going to be doing comedy film nerd shows there. Jackie's going to be doing shows there. We're all going to be doing really interesting stuff. We've been talking about doing. We've been talking about doing comedy film nerd like live commentary shows.
Yes.
Like our version of MST3K basically. And I told him about that. He goes, yes, yeah, absolutely. So you guys are getting involved on a cool thing. So Kickstarter.com and then just search. It's got a really long URL. So just search Dynasty at the Hayworth and support Jamie Flam. They got 9 days left to make
And
the
what's their
Kickstarter.
funding goal?
$100,000.
Well, it's not impossible if we did it.
We did it. These guys can.
Yep.
And you can do it at the last minute. So
And board games get $1 million. So everybody, throw some cash at this guy.
Board games get
board games do get $1 million. That's
$1
not even an
million,
exaggeration.
not at all.
And I know they have good toy value, but just think of the toy value at the Hayworth with
Yes.
stand-up comics.
Yep, you're supporting really cool live performing in Los Angeles. So be a part of it.
Check it out. And there's only a couple days left.
Come on.
It's just some dude named Jamie Flam.
Hey, man.